Chat, going to the toy aisle for hobby horses. Let's see. Okay. I'm here with Redmond.
Hi. What is that?
What is that? What is that? Guardian of Band.
Oh.
Go, go. What that pig do? Peppa.
Bombastic side-eye.
What the? What the goofy?
What in the goofy eye? Pineapple head.
Wait, squeeze me, piggy?
Sounds like you coughing.
True story.
Star Wars. Winner's net. You gonna run? You gonna run?
Yeah, ready. Here are shoe text. What is that? Poison.
Hold on. Let me ride him.
So preppy.
Cheese ball.
My bad. Doing gang signs, RC. Let's see what was mine. Wait,
Hold on.
let me ride it.
No, you need to buy that. No, that's better than my life.
I'm gonna do an air jump. Hit that
Wait,
POV.
no, this is actually.
Dress to impress.
No,
Dress
this is
to
actually a really good
impress. Dress to impress. Yes, girl. Get it on. Get it on the corner.
It's your twin.
Twin, where have you been?
Oh.
I'm gonna name it Pretty Princess Poopy Bear.
Booby bear.
But don't have no boobies.
So Poopy's down. The big boy, he's the stallion. He's a big
Sure
boy.
about that?
On a bag. Somebody just looked at me. I've come to my realization that there's cameras.
Watch what? Unicorn Academy.
Look at that boy. I hate this horse.
Why is it so spicy?
Rawr. What is wrong with their faces?
They're cross-eyed goofy. Cross-eyed who? Cross-eyed who? Cute but cross-eyed.
No, not the LOL addiction. Jack Skellington. No.
He's cute though.
He's the king.
Jack put that back.
Oh.
Horse.
Where's the horse go?
I put the horse back wherever you
horse
found it.
advance.
The horse disappeared. Oh, kid.
Willow. You can queen.
What's up, queen? What was that?
Baby.
She has
Kids took all this out during Christmas. Ooh, little bed.
Ooh.
And then
Had to.
why did they make her black?
Snores.
Snore.
Look, Maddie. Look.
Hong shoe.
Hongshoe. Honkapoo. Forehead.
Forehead check. Wait, hold on. I'll keep it at cover.
I keep it on the cover.
Living the eyes so well. How big is your Living the eyes so well. Bro, my God, it's shining. Bro, look, it's shining. Shine bright
I
like
keep
a diamond.
I keep it undercover.
Look, look. Shine
the
bright.
way you
Shine
are.
bright. Go, go.
What are we doing next?
Hi, Dad. Okay, bye.
Have a great day, cookies.